Hi guys, wow, we are so excited. I am very excited. I'm stoked about the whole market's dropping, which is phenomenal. If you were in class last Friday and if you were listening to also the podcast, we stated exactly a week ago that a week ago was over here, and we stated that if the price comes back to 2120 for the S&P 500 and provided, and as long as it doesn't want to go to this high of 2132, then basically we're good to go. 2120 was a phenomenal number, and look at the futures price. Futures currently down 4.69 due to the polls and what's happening basically in Great Britain, and I believe the voting basically went through that they're leaving the EU or the European Union. So that being said, this is what caused every market out there to basically fail. UK 100 based in the UK, look at that, also stated around 63, 60. As long as they want to go above that, then this was a good short. Notice about 8.85, German 30. The DAX is currently down 10.91%. Same thing. As long as they want to go beyond that and beyond that high, 10,487, 10,374, then also we're good to go. The Dow, in terms of the futures price, we stated that as long as they don't want to go and surpass 10,167, and that's a good shorting time. 10,100 was a good number. Came up and then basically dropped. Yesterday was basically just a fake out. Phenomenal. The dollar index, we go through the dollar index. We stated approximately around 92. Actually, our forecast was about 92.50 to 92. We want the price to come back down here. However, we are a good range of a demand level, and this one went through the roof. So that being said, we were heavily short with the euro and also heavily short with the pound. And then today, in looking at oil, in our live trading class today, and also last week, I stated in part of the forecast that part of the correction, if it goes $50 a barrel, that will be a great selling area. And yesterday was a phenomenal setup. Our entry point got hit basically at $50 a barrel, created a lower high. Phenomenal, fantastic. So part of our that recommendation to basically buy a put the premium tomorrow. Ooh, that would be fantastic. Okay, let's go through gold. Gold stated as well that there was a divergence simply with the dollar index and gold at this point in time, that the odds that this is going to go to roof is more than likely to happen. And look at that, bam, into as high as today at $1,358 an ounce. Okay, so phenomenal, really good. Copper basically tanked. We're basically our forecast with that is to correct basically to the downside, and it's also caused the Australian dollar to basically fail. TYX, which is a bond, that'll be very interesting. Actually, there's a gap, so the odds that that's gonna either continue or fail tomorrow is more than likely to fail. The VIX, on the other hand, we were very bullish with the VIX. So looking at that, odds and probability, you're going to have a big gap tomorrow is highly, highly probable. And one student in particular who loves options still basically have a call option right there. And last but not the least, I have no doubt that whoever bought yesterday and believed that they were very bullish they are going to lose a lot of money tomorrow. Now with the futures down at 4.9%, imagine a lot of gapping over the stock market tomorrow. So that being said, let's go through the pound to US dollar. Notice right here, there's a big gap right there. We were short the pound, and it dropped from 150 all the way down to 133. That's a big drop right there, fellas, at 132. So 50, 40, 30, almost close to 2,000 pips actually, to be exact. Okay, so that's a good one. The euro US dollar tanked as well. We're actually short with the euro against the dollar. With that being said, I have no doubt there's going to be some form of opportunity happening to go long as well. So if you're listening to this, that's part of disclaimer. I'm just here to give you free information. I'm not here to give you any advice. Okay, just letting you know. And if we go through euro yen, the yen went to the roof. Also here, part of it we're short. I'm short with that. Got stopped out, mind you, and then went back in. Too much of a better air supply, 122 all the way down to 112, even 110 actually. So more than 1,000 pips right there. The pound JPY from 160 all the way to down to 132. So there's a big drop there as well. So what does it mean? Well, of course, with fear, there's going to be a continuation. With fear, on the other hand, will also be opportunity. Talking about opportunities, last week I stated that there is an opening in terms of scholarship of 3 members only.
Never believe anyone who tells you that making money from trade.
So, and talking about opportunities, some couldn't make it, and so I'm opening up once again for the next or the first 5 members who's going to sign up. And we started the course this week, so I'm opening up for another 5. Due to reasons of anything can happen, I have an opening of 5 members. So if you would like to be part of our team, and once again, we are totally different compared to others. We go through the holistic approach of the mind conditioning, body conditioning, and technical conditioning. So our goal is to be a consistent, profitable trader. We do not focus on making money. We focus on the process and how to make money basically from trading. Okay, so totally different. If you are a person who is very serious about trading, I only accept serious members only, and have that commitment. So once you click the register, please, that means that you have to have the integrity to follow through. Okay, because a few members simply they click through, they want to be part of scholarship, but never had the decency to respond or to actually fully register. And a lot of people are waiting out there, they missed their opportunity. In my eyes, that is not a really good attitude right there, and hence, in my own opinion, it is also the reason why they're not making any money, is because they don't have the professionalism nor the integrity to follow through. So if you're a type of person who loves to follow through, who will have the commitment, then please feel free to register in order to claim your scholarship for the first month. Okay, so all you have to do, go to profitablyconsistently.com/scholarship/ or even without the /, watch the video, click the register now button, very important, and once that's done, I will receive it on my end. I'm going to create a username and password for you so you can have access to the membership with all the links, all the resources, all necessary information that you would need for the course. And there are classes every day, and I guarantee you're going to enjoy the actual program itself. So we have a high success rate, and the profitability. It's all about, in my opinion, is all about numbers. It's all about probabilities, and hence a good solid foundation though of your knowledge is very important, both mentally and technically. So once again, I'm only accepting for the first 5 serious people only, please. And just be courteous, and if that's you, click the register button right now. All right, thank you very much for listening to this. I'm going to update. We're going to have a live trading class tomorrow from 12 p.m. to 1 a.m. If you're interested in listening to our market update, we go through from top to bottom, from the indices all the way down to oil, gold, and then look for potential trades and see what's happening, if there's any opportunities trading the currency markets and the futures market. I know for a fact the opportunity already happened, but another opportunity will come. It's just a matter of time. That's all. So if you're interested with that, shoot me an email at contact us at ESTEtrader.com. Contact us, CONTACTUS at ESTETrader.com. Contact us at ESTEtrader.com. Okay, and I will send you the link to get there. Normally it's $10, but for those who are listening to this, you will basically have it for free. Just send me that email, so I won't charge you for that. Okay, other than that, thank you very much for listening, and happy trading. Keep learning out there, keep training, and as long as you're doing the right thing, you're learning from the right people, that's all that matters. Have a good one, guys. Talk to you soon.